Do you remember that this year has been quite challenging for all of us? And particularly during the circuit breaker period, the teachers had to find means and ways in order to connect with students at home. So I'm very pleased and very heartened that my teachers went all the way. I remember that my PE teacher, Mr. Ferdinand, actually even demonstrated what planking looks like via Zoom lessons, and he conducted exercises for students to actually exercise from the comforts of their home. We had form teachers like Miss Brenda as well as Miss Whip, who actually continued to connect with students even after the circuit breaker period during the holidays, and it is part of their own initiative. We had other teachers who were also innovative like Miss Pek Sing Hui as well as Mr. Tay Chok Kwang, who connected with the students via games, trivia games in fact. And lastly itself, we also had Madam Hafiza, my Malay teacher, who always checks in with her students when she has lessons. So with all this, you know that you are in good hands and the students are in good hands. That's what Woodlands Secondary School is all about.